And the ski resorts are also expecting huge business this weekend.
Yeah, they're trying to make up for several dry seasons. KCRA 3's Mike Carroll paid a visit to one family-run ski area where they are thrilled to have snow this year.
Christmas in the Sierras hasn't looked this good at Donner Ski Ranch in a couple of years.
Oh boy, we are all so happy.
Christmas here is 100% better than it was last year.
Last year, the ski ranch could only be open for 42 days, barely enough to make ends meet.
Last year we were looking at dirt out here, waiting for snow.
Last year was a tough year. It was a lot of dirt, a lot of rocks.
Even as little as 3 weeks ago, it was pretty brown out here, and you know, we never know what's gonna come.
But look at it now. The parking lot is full.
But 2 cheeseburgers.
The restaurant is full. And the ski slopes are busy.
It's just such a relief to have the snow.
Getting snow like this is crucial for this mom-and-pop owned business.
Conservatively, it can be up to 60% of our business.
Hello.
Merry Christmas! The Zapata family has been coming to the ski ranch for 20 years.
We didn't have any snow on the ground here last year, so this is a little bit of magic.
Beautiful snow, nice and cold powder.
And Janet Tuttle's Christmas wish is for the snow to keep coming.
You know, 4 seasons ago, we were still open weekends during July. So who knows? We'll see what the weather brings.
To get out in the snow and play for Christmas is exactly what we hope for.
At Donner Ski Ranch in the Sierras, I'm Mike Carroll, KCRA 3 News.
Donner Ski Ranch has been around since 1937. For the past 10 years, it's been privately owned by the Tuttle family.
Certainly looks nice out there, doesn't it? Well, now that is